To replace the chute deflector on your snowblower, use a 3/8" socket to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the deflector and hinge. Depress the release lever and pull the hinge arm past the lever so you can remove the lever and springs. Detach the deflector seal. You will need to break the retaining clip securing the hinge pin. With the retaining clip broken, you can slide out the pin to release the hinge. Prepare the new chute deflector for installation by aligning the hinge and a new retaining clip. Slide the pin through the hinge and the retaining clip and tap the pin into place with a mallet. With the hinge arm pulled back, align the release lever and springs. Align the seal on the tabs. You can now position the new deflector assembly on the chute and thread the mounting screws. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.